Jim, the excitement of the playoffs is really something else.
Absolutely. And we've got a ton of something else coming at you full speed in the form of the Detroit Red Wings and the Los Angeles Kings. Yager is hurt and out of this play.
That looks really, really bad, Jim. Look at the agony on his face. Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it.
Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. That's offside. Okay, we're in for a little tete-a-tete.
Let me guess, Jim. That's French for a bunch of fighting. He dropped them like a cheap card table.
Yeah, and in front of a full house. Johnson. Deadmarch grabs the puck. Shoots it hard. He scores!
The goalie stood there waving as it cruised by on the upper deck. Man, is the wrist shot hot. And did he ever pick a spot?
Detroit was going to make a last stand, but it's the first period.
Maybe they'll make their first stand in the last period.
Maybe. Nordstrom takes control of the puck. Bednar taken out.
You wouldn't do that at a birthday party.
Smolinski, Larionov with the puck. Nordstrom got it. Nordstrom gets checked.
That's just his way of celebrating life.
Williams. Los Angeles puts its scoring line out. Westland mowed down. Bednar takes possession of the puck. Larionov, he gets knocked down.
If this rink was water, the crowd would be getting hit by a tidal wave right about now.
Westland fires! Potvin with an awesome save. Larionov gets muscled off the puck.
He loves hitting, which is a good thing, because he's good at it.
Schneider touches up for icing. Brewer. Lemieux. Great save by Potvin. Chartron. Shoots the puck from the left. Joseph closed the door. Solani. Neuendijk was offside. Allison gets hold of the puck. Johnson gets laid out.
He just flipped that guy's proverbial burger.
Los Angeles dumps the puck in. Fedotenko. Brilliant save!
This is what the fans came to see tonight, Jim.
Potvin freezes the puck. Detroit got it. Fedotenko shoots! Blocked. Chelios. Scores upstairs.
I should make a movie about that goal. Although I guess no one would pay money to see a 3-second movie.
That's the play that's tied to score.
Tied it up like a double bowling on a sheepshank. Hey, all those years on sailboats have to be worth something, right?
Deadmarsh jumps on the loose puck. Johnson. Allison scoops it up. Schneider. Joseph makes the save. Neuendijk takes control of the puck. Neuendijk shoots. Lemieux takes it. Deadmarsh. Johnson takes it.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Brewer has it. Neuendijk took it.
20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff.
Welcome back to the second period, everyone. I'm Jim Hewson.
I never tire of that. Nice delivery, buddy.
Thanks. Chartron gets pushed off the puck.
Some hits serve as a warning, and other hits should come with a warning.
And that's icing.
Coming up, why not get one of our luxury boxes? All boxes feature great views, Raider service, and free merchandise.
Nieuwendyk with the puck. Lemieux gets it. Solani now with it. A howitzer from the right. Potvin hangs on for the whistle. Smolinski wins the draw. Brewer shoots it. Chartrand jumps on the loose puck. Rink-wide pass. It's one-on-one. Elaronta gets checked.
That hit deserves its own 17,000-line epic poem.
Offside, Los Angeles. Allison gets laid out. Johnson grabs the puck. Shot! Joseph closes the door.
Proving that denial is more than just a river in Egypt.
Shoots the puck. Door slammed shut by Potvin. Deadmarsh. Short pass. Shoots the puck from the right. Fedotenko. Solani got it. Potvin denies him. Allison takes control of the puck. Miller. Johnson. Taken out.
Nailed him like a hammer on a thumbtack.
Fedotenko. Long pass. He knocked him into the middle of next week.
I can't possibly describe the magnitude of that hit, Jim. You do it.
Smolinski with the puck. Los Angeles puts its second line out. Westland grabbed the puck. Westland fired it hard. Miller gets the pass from Potvin. Johnson. Allison. Williams. Smolinski corrals the puck. He scooped it up. Delayed penalty call for Los Angeles. Elaronta has been nailed for elbowing.
On the bright side, there's a lot more room to stretch out the penalty box. That bench is so squishy.
Los Angeles will play some short-handed hockey.
Time to see what their defense is made of.
Fedotenko. Detroit ran out of time on that power play. Deadmarsh jumps on the loose puck. Elaronta took it. Deadmarsh. Mowed down. Lidstrom takes possession of the puck. Fedotenko. Lemieux got it. Wrist shot from the right. Modry gets in the way. Elaronta. Nordstrom grabs the puck. Elaronta has it. A delayed penalty call against Detroit.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Westland is going off for interference.
No one wants to go to the penalty box, Jim, but he kind of has to.
Detroit will play shorthanded.
But I've got a good feeling about this one. This team loves to be the underdog. The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
And all the money goes to me. Man, it's good to finally get that off my chest.
Welcome back to the game. Fair to say it's lived up to the hype, no?
Yes.
It has? Or are you saying yes to the no part?
No.
Yes?
Yes.
My head hurts.
Allison shoots the puck. Brewer intercepted in the corner. Denied by Joseph.
Watching him play goal makes me wish I hadn't slept for all those 5 a.m. practices.
Westland sends this game back to 5-on-5 now that he's left the box. Schneider jumps on the loose puck. Chelios runs over Johnson.
He just painted his numbers.
Miller scoops up the loose puck. The action will resume once the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Lidstrom, save by Potvin.
Goaltending. Looks simple? Go ahead and try it.
Deadmarsh played him.
Like a ukulele at an all-night luau.
Joseph made the save. Johnson with the puck. Deadmarsh shot quickly. Joseph made the brilliant save. Lemieux nails Deadmarsh.
Popped him with a hit with grit.
Lemieux. Nieuwendyk takes the puck. Eloranta. Joseph makes the save. Brewer jumps on the loose puck. Smolinski fires! Misses! Nordstrom takes control of the puck. Joseph shut the door!
I love it when he does that.
Smolinski. Williams controls the puck. Westland has it now. He takes control. With a wrist shot, stoned cold by Putman. Rosa stops the shot. LaPerriere. Thrashed.
This guy graduated from the School of Hard Knocks and moved on to the College of Crushing.
Scores!
You've got to give the netminder credit for trying, but some shots just can't be stopped.
Detroit has just one task left now,
And it just might be we will win this game tonight.
he scores!
Will we see a bigger goal this game? I don't think so.
That gives us a tie game.
Boy, I haven't been this excited since last September's chocolate milkshake binge.
Assisted by number 21.
Deadmarsh had the puck. Detroit grabs it. Fedotenko. Nieuwendyk has it now. Lemieux fires it. Miller gets in the way. Los Angeles beats out the icing call. Joseph made the huge save. Lemieux took the puck. Fedotenko corrals it. Allison steals it. Deadmarsh grabs it. Shoots hard. Joseph made the save.
And the goalie's thinking, hey, get that crud out of my kitchen.
Putman denies him.
This could be the start of something big.
Larionov knocked him off the puck.
He thought he could dodge that one, but he got rammed.
Bednar. Joseph stones him.
That could have been goal number 1 for him. Instead, just a shot.
Mayer with the puck. Modry fires it. Fedotenko. He gets knocked over. Modry gets hold of the puck. He gets laid out.
When you get hit that hard, you've got to feel lucky your skate stayed on.
Modry shoots. Saved by Joseph. Larionov gets bowled over. Solani takes control of the puck. Nieuwendyk. Hard shot. Putman made the save.
He shot the puck, but he had no luck.
Deadmarsh. Heavy shot. Lemieux stops the shot. Deadmarsh with the puck. Schneider gets it. Deadmarsh is down on the ice.
Boy, if he hurt his back there, he may have to leave this game. That would be a real shame.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong. Just this once.
Lemieux will probably get the gate for the slash. Check it out.
Too right, Jim. Too right.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Shatan. Nylander grabbed the puck. Picked up by Los Angeles. Breakaway. Shot the puck. Joseph denies him.
The first 3 periods were like an audition. Overtime is where it really happens.
Who have announced their engagement at tonight's game.
It's the toughest period of hockey. Overtime.
This is gonna be good.
Johnson. Brewer grabs the puck. Lemieux takes it. Los Angeles gets a hold of it. The game is delayed while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Nieuwendyk. Putman freezes the puck. Johnson. Los Angeles takes control. Breakaway. Allison shoots the puck. Joseph made the save. Fedotenko. Schneider scoops up the loose puck. Long pass. Putman turned the shot away. Fedotenko. Putman stones him cold.
Better luck next time, fellows.
Johnson. Blocked. Nieuwendyk picks up the puck from Joseph Lemieux. Shoots from the left. Potvin made the brilliant save. Potvin freezes the puck. The face-off goes to Detroit. Shoots quickly. Chelios takes control of the puck. Clanks one. Scores off the iron.
Those are the goals that win championships.
Our work is done here. Detroit has the win.
Jim, in every series, a win feels huge, but this one is particularly big. It allows a team to take control of the series and hopefully get on a roll.